So I decided to draw some fan art of Forgotten Hearts. This particular character is Noein. He was raised in a nunnery, and through a turn of events, he has to go on a hero's journey. This is a PS1 style game. If you want to know more about the game, please check out Rainy Tei's YouTube channel or her itch.io page. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.
Fire.